Coronavirus has spread rapidly around the world. Millions of people are greatly affected by the virus. Some overcome it, some did not. Frontliners like doctors and nurses are doing their best in order to do their duties and responsibilities, and even risking their own safety just to serve people. Researchers are greatly working in order to find the right vaccines, and hospitals are fully loaded with patients. As days and months passed, vaccines are now developed, but yet there is still a question that lies in people's mind whether they would get vaccinated or not. The development of vaccines is a great challenge to researchers and medical professionals. A right and effective vaccines is what they are trying to develop in order to find solution to this virus, the COVID-19. And as days and months passed, the introduction of newly developed vaccines are slowly distributed to different places in order to start the vaccination to people. But with these vaccines, people must still do and follow the health protocols like wearing face masks, cleaning hands, observe social distancing, and avoiding places with so much people. According to the report of GMA News Online, DOH reported the daily new COVID cases in the Philippines over the past week was higher than the figures reported in the start of May. DOH Epidemiology Bureau Director Dr. Alithea de Guzman said the Philippines averaged 6,691 cases in the start of May. With these new cases, people must do and follow the health protocols that the government is telling us to do. Not just doing and following the health protocols, but also keeping in mind and doing the protocols correctly. According to the report of GMA News Online, the palace said that at least 3.4 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines is about to be delivered in the Philippines in June. And with these vaccines, people must grab the opportunity and get vaccinated. While vaccines are still there, people should get vaccinated. People are complaining about the protocols, and some would even say that there is no such thing as COVID-19. But despite of these complaints, we must face the reality and treat everything seriously. Vaccines are the answers to the questions that people has in their minds. And being vaccinated doesn't mean that we could do what we wanted to do and do not follow the health protocols. But vaccines could help little by little in overcoming this virus. And when that happens, it would create a better situation to all. Again, being vaccinated doesn't mean that we could do what we wanted to do and do not follow the health protocols. But vaccines could help little by little. And not just the vaccines, but people should do their part and get vaccinated. Because vaccines are the answers. Because what are the roles of vaccines if people don't want to get vaccinated? And why are vaccines developed if people don't want to get vaccinated? It is the answer to the people's complaints and questions about this pandemic, this virus. It is the vaccines, and people must have vaccinations. So people should get vaccinated.